Hello programmers, in our last video we discussed about the comparison operators in Python, and today we are going to discuss about logical operators. What are logical operators? Your one like equals to one boost of motivation for me to create more awesome tech videos. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditional statements in Python. So from this diagram, what I have built here is like if the value of A and B, let's say we are trying to combine the two conditions, and the from condition is getting true and from second condition is getting false, and if you are using the AND logical operator, then the value will be false. For AND logical operator, all the variables that we are going to combine should have the true value. So then only it will give you the true result, otherwise it will return you the false result. And in case of OR logical operator, if any of the value is true, then it will return us the true result, otherwise it will return the false result. In other words, we can say like OR operator will give false in only that cases when every condition is false or every condition is wrong. And NOT operator is very simple, it just reverses the value of the condition. If the condition is giving you the true value, then it will just make it false, or if it's giving a false, then it will just make the true. Now let's go and see the example. Now we understand the basic of, so in an option, let's say I'm going to do print A, and just writing in English, and B, and if you run the program, that means we have a value of A as true and B as false. So in AND, if any of the condition is false, then it will return false. In this case B is false, so it should return the false. And you can see like it have given us a false. To make it true, what we can do is like A is true, and let's try to say true and true, then it should be giving us the true value. And now you can see like it is giving us true value. Now let's see the OR operator. In OR operator, if any value is true, then it will return us the true value. Print, let's say A or B, and let's run the program, and it is giving us true as A is true. Now just to make it false, what we have to do, like both of the values should be false. So in this case, let's make the false or B. The B is pointing to the false, that's why both of them are false now, and you can see like it's false. Now let's try with the NOT operator. Let's say print, and all you have to do is like NOT, then the condition. The value of A is true, so NOT will just reverse the value of A, that means true will become false. And you can see here true have become false, and let's do with B, and value of B is false, so you should reverse it from false to true, and the value become it just reverse. In this video we covered a very basic of logical operator, but in future we will be diving more deep into the logical operator as we get more understanding on the Python programming language. So thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.